In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a pop-up or lightbox in Wix. This is a fantastic way to grab the attention of your website visitors, whether you're displaying important announcements, promoting offers, or encouraging newsletter signups. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to integrate this feature smoothly into your site. First off, start by going to the Wix website editor. This is your main hub for making edits to your Wix site and where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, move over to the left-hand side of your screen and look for the Add Elements button. When you click on this, you'll open a treasure trove of features and widgets that you can add to your site. Next, then navigate to the interactive section. This is where you find tools specifically designed to engage and interact with your audience. Within this section, look for the option labeled Lightboxes. Lightboxes act as pop-ups that overlay your site content, effectively drawing attention to the message you wish to convey. Select this option and you'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Select the one that fits your needs best, whether it's a simple text box, promotional feature, or an image-heavy announcement. After you've chosen a Lightbox template base, you'll want to focus on customizing and fine-tuning it to match your brand. Click on Promotion under the video feature to begin editing the Lightbox content. This is your opportunity to tailor the message your visitors will see, so make it engaging and on brand. To determine when and how your Lightbox appears, click on Set Triggers. Triggers allow you to define actions that display the Lightbox, such as when a visitor lands on a certain page after a specific time period or when they're about to leave your site. Setting the right triggers will ensure your message reaches visitors at the perfect moment. Once the triggers are set, it's time to manage the logistics of your Lightbox. Click on Manage Lightboxes to organize and control the different Lightboxes on your website. Here you can edit existing Lightboxes or create new ones as your site's needs evolve. Then click on Layout. This feature is crucial for adjusting the positioning, max width, and alignment of your Lightbox, ensuring it appears perfectly on different screen sizes from desktop to mobile. We're almost there. Click on Design. This is where you can change the aesthetic elements such as background colors, borders, and overall style to make your Lightbox visually appealing and consistent with your site's design. Finally, enhance your Lightbox's entrance with animation and effects. Adding animations can help create a more dynamic and engaging user experience, captivating your visitors as they explore your content. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding a pop-up or Lightbox in Wix. With these steps, you can effectively utilize Lightboxes to make important messages stand out and enhance user interaction on your site. Thank you for watching and happy site building.